I stopped at the Goodwill outlet in Waco, Texas. Let's go see if we can find something cool today. Here we go. Oh, let's see. This is where they throw the stuff back. I like to check here, but I don't think this has been changed in a while. That's kind of cool. It's almost like a Bob Mackie, but it's got pockets inside too. Is that reversible maybe? No, I don't think so. That's super cool though. Wonder if it's got a brand on it. Now see, I wonder if that's related to Helen Yarmack. I may look that up. When I go through these bins, I'm going by feel. I'm looking for something that just stands out fabric-wise. What do you think? A little black and white. Free people. I may not sell it, but I bet I can find somebody who wants it. Okay, these can be good if they're a good brand. I don't know, that feels like polyester, not leather. Yeah, see the top coming undone. That's useless. That's a denim jacket, but it looks cheap. Forever 21. Goodies. What do you think? Time to pick up ugly Christmas sweaters? It's new with tags. I may give that a go. I do pretty well with Christmas sweaters all year round. This is such a good brand. You're looking for the vintage dresses by this. I don't know that these modern pants will be worth anything, but they're definitely worth looking up. But the vintage dresses from Fool can go for, $600-700. I'll pop one up if I've got a picture of it, of the one we sold. Super find. Check this out. I don't know about the condition yet. Little sweater shaver. It's kind of a cool sweater, but check this out. Sears, made in Japan, probably 70s. I'd have to look at the tag a little better to know for sure. But I do pretty well in that. I can picture someone younger wearing that now. It's almost like a little sweater jacket. Open front. I'm gonna try it. Is that the Crow? Oh, Edward Scissorhands. I was close. I don't know, probably nothing. What is Casual Island? Casual Isle. That feels super cheap. That's super cool though. I look them up when I don't know. What about Monster High sweater? Pretty worn. Not finding any home runs today. Gosh, I wish that was the full. It feels like that. Look at how bad that is. Full of holes. Buy that stuff into Shorty, see if I get a discount. Okay, they are coming out to change. I'm Scott, this is Melody, and I'm going to share with her. I went to the Goodwill binge. You went with me. She hasn't seen any of the stuff that I picked up yet, so let's do this.
All right.
How do you pronounce that?
Bliss or Blissy?
I actually got 3 new pairs with tags, and then 1 pair that doesn't have tags, so 4 pairs total. I got a total today of 16 pounds. This is my receipt. It was 16 pounds at $1.60 a pound for a total of $27.71. This one is just a t-shirt, but I really liked it.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was Life is Good.
No, it's LL Bean. It's got the tags on it.
That's nice.
Yeah, like, I figured the girls. When I say the girls, for future reference, that's my nieces. Well, Melody's nieces. I don't claim them. But a lot of times we'll pick up stuff for them.
Yeah.
I just thought this was super nice.
That's very nice. Can't see the tag. Eddie Bauer.
Eddie Bauer. The only thing about this, because it's down, is that it smells really good. Like, smell that. Like perfume.
Like the softener.
Like maybe it's been washed? I didn't see anything. It doesn't hardly look
nice.
worn.
Yeah.
So,
Wow.
are you ready for this?
I don't know.
I actually thought Ella might like that.
I thought maybe it was vintage, but it's got tags. Princess Polly?
I've never heard of it. Princess Polly. And it feels like chinchilla, but it's obviously fake. But it's got a lot of old school details with the types of clips and things like that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We had a coat recently that looked like this. It was turquoise and it sold really fast.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's new with tags. Wow.
Okay, the next one is kind of cool. Look at the brand.
New with tags. Super Down.
Super Down can be a good brand, but I don't know.
It's very cropped.
It's very cropped. It's new with tags, but when I looked up Super Down, some of the cropped ones were like 40 or 50 bucks. The next one's super cool. Might have to keep it.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Majestic.
Houston Astros vintage. This is probably late 90s, early 2000s.
Nice shape.
It's in really good shape. And
Good size.
is there any money in it?
Yeah.
No money.
Yeah.
But super nice.
Yeah.
Like the colorway, and if I don't sell that one, I'll keep it. The next one I think is my favorite item in here, and it is this. It is,
Is it supposed to look like that, or is that?
no, it's old.
Okay.
It is the Rebels University, Las Vegas, Nevada, and it is vintage champion, made in the USA.
Yeah, it's your kind of stuff.
Yeah, single needle tailoring, worn, faded, holes in it. I love that. If I had to guess, I would say that's probably a $30 to $40 shirt, just because it's so trashed. So I love that.
A lot of care.
That's my favorite thing in here
just
today.
for being worn.
The next one I showed you in the store, and I sent you a picture of it.
I got excited for a minute.
Yeah, because this brand right here, am I holding it right? if you find Fool, the vintage dresses, like they're real, what's it, hippie? The real hippie dresses from like the 1970s, and the tag is a little different, but it's the same company. This is a pair of Fool, like pants.
Yeah.
And they got a drawstring waist. They're lightweight. I don't know if they're worth a whole lot, but I would never leave anything new Fool behind until, because she wouldn't believe me if I left them.
No.
So
It doesn't look, it looks like $15, $20.
Yeah.
So it's the old dresses you're looking for.
well, you know what these are. Like
Wrangler, Pearl Snap.
Wrangler Pearl Snap. These are not made in the USA, but the ones that are worn, like if you want to take that one, I have another one. I like this one better because it's a little bit more worn and it's a little bit more tan.
Yeah, it's a nicer color.
Yeah, but this has holes in it. The collar has got holes in it. It's coming undone. The more worn these are, the better they will do. What you're looking for, if you find them that show real farm wear, like we got over $100 for one of them that had, you could see the impression of where the fading from where the suspenders were on the back of it. So, but these all day long, I get close to $30 for those, maybe a little bit better. Oh, I don't know what this is. I've never heard of the brand. Lelis, L-E-L-I-S, but I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's a leotard.
You couldn't wear that. You could see straight through it.
Well, you put a skirt or pants or something over it.
You better put a lot more than that over it, because that one's going to be, that'll show off all your business. But I have no idea if that's worth it. It doesn't.
Reptile color.
It doesn't weigh anything.
Yeah. Huh.
But that we're not giving that to the girls, because there's no clothes there. Okay, so this one's cool. Dun dun dun.
Who's that?
Edward Scissorhands.
Okay.
When I first saw this,
I can tell you who I thought it was.
the Crow.
I thought it was Adam Ant.
Oh, I would have liked that better. I would have liked, if this had been Adam Ant, I'd be trying to lose weight to get into it. Like, this is cool, front and back.
Yeah.
I don't know if, but it's on the Edward Scissorhand tag. I don't know if that's vintage or not, but it's kind of got that, oh, it's got a date on it. 2009.
Okay.
I don't know. It's just cool. I don't know, it says something.
She never saw him again, not after that night.
It's not how you read it. It's like, she never saw him again. Not after that night. That's how you read that.
Okay.
There was no drama in your voice at all. Again, that's not for the girls. It's free people. It's new with tags. It's real stretchy. But that's like not much of a skirt.
Yeah.
But it's new.
Yeah, free.
It was $60 new. Okay, and the last one.
Christmas sweater.
Christmas sweater. New with tags.
Yeah.
Heirloom collection. It's probably got a date on it.
Yeah, it was. Kind of like a Steinmart or something.
But it's new.
Yeah.
So the deal with Christmas sweaters, if they're ugly enough like this one and they're in good shape, we list them now, but you certainly want to have them listed by Thanksgiving.
Well, it's kind of neat with the cardinals all over it.
Yeah, but they sell. Like this will sell.
Yeah, it's a thing.
Yeah. That's it for me. I appreciate you watching. Say something clever.
Clever.
Got nothing.
Bye, everybody.
I'll see you on the next one. Bye.